Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the internet connection, make sure that you've got one, and then we can enter the Play Store. Of course, be aware that you have to be logged in or you have to create a Google account in order to use the Play Store. Then let's tap on the circle, which is your account of course, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage, and as you can see here we've got the list of all installed apps, and let's tap on Updates Available to check which one we can update. And as you can see we've got plenty of them, so if you want you can mark all of those apps, if not just mark those which you want to update right now. I will pick three different apps, and after that just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not really have to do anything more, just wait. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.